Hey, what's good, guys? I'm back. I know, I know. I apologize. I know I've been away, according to the last video. I've been kind of busy with my own little projects and my own games. But I know I've seen some questions about um, some of the code that I left out of the previous video, and I am sorry for that. So this video is here to rectify that problem. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so the cube, this is a different scene, but the code and everything's the same. I just kind of set this up real quick. So we have the cube, and we have a GUI texture here that I set at 128 by 128, and I use the same textures from last time. You can use any texture you want to signify pressing and not pressing. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the code in C#, and I'm using Visual Studio. Model Develop is cool, but I prefer Visual Studio for the formatting. Okay, so everything in the code is the same, guys. Nothing has really changed besides 2 lines of code. We go to the top here where we declare our variables, and we have this new one here for player, which is a public. So it's easy for you to change what object you're talking about in the inspector. So we're labeled this one player. So that could be a cube, a sphere, or an actual model. You would drag that object, game object, to the inspector so we will know which object we're talking about, which one we want to move. All right, so we're going to make it public. Make sure that's important. Make it public so you can see it. Okay, so the start function, everything stays the same. In the update, everything's the same except this one little addition to the front of the movement code, which is player.transform. That's letting the code know that we're talking about the player game object. So whatever game object is inside that player designation on the inspector is what's going to move. All right, that's it. That's the only thing that I left out for the last tutorial. That is it. You go ahead and try that, and you should be able to move whatever game object that you put inside of that in the inspector. All right. All right, guys, that's it. I am actually working on my new, my newer website to try to post my videos in my code for those who don't follow the video, who just watch and want to reference. I'm gonna try to get that set up today. Also, about what I'm gonna be trying to do is more tutorials on simple things that we don't see a lot on Unity. Sorry, a lot on YouTube for Unity. Like some timers, maybe some effects to help out with the game. So things like that, just small things that people neglect. They try to do all the advanced things, which is great, but sometimes the simplest things are what people just want to get a feel for. All right, so also some music composition. I do music, so I'll be having videos on how to pair up music with the game, and I'll probably do tutorials on the music that I'm making for the game, things like that. So just keep an eye out. Follow me on Google Plus, on Facebook. You will see updates. I'm actually working on a little small game now that I'm trying to do in 5 days. All right, so I will post this on the website, and if you guys have any questions or comments or what you would like to see, go ahead and write in the comments or write on Facebook or write on Google Plus, and I will try my best to get to it. All right, guys, you guys have a good one. Hope you're enjoying your new year. Talk to you later.